on left wing, half board, spins loose at the goal line, centers in front, one-timer, Subban, a great save through traffic. Spins loose at the goal line, centers in front, one-timer, Subban, a great save through traffic. Half board, spins loose at the goal line, centers in front, one-timer, Subban, a great save through traffic. Adams scoring on a lot on that.
Fans this season, Berkshire. Fans here, Thunderbirds are on a Curry Honda penalty kill.
Sends it in low, Subban, a save on a deflection, rebound in the crease, Subban shouldered it away a second time.
Honda penalty kill.
Sends it in low, Subban, a save on a deflection, rebound in the crease, Subban shouldered it away.
Honda penalty kill.
Sends it in low, Subban, a save on a deflection, rebound in the crease, Subban shouldered it away. That extra feet loose, left side shot, save Duran. Rebound ball that's funded in front of shot, they score! Extra feet loose, left side shot, save Duran. Rebound ball that's funded in front of shot, they score! Extra feet loose, left side shot, save Duran. Rebound ball that's funded in front of shot, they score!
Time of the penalty, 3:52. Time of the penalty, 3:52. Time of the penalty, 3:52. Wide, Coughlin right side, trying to play it back to the front. Precision, the steal ahead to Brodzinski. Brodzinski to the red line with the empty net looming. He backhands it home. Second of the night for Brodzinski. Makes it 3-1. Precision, the steal ahead to Brodzinski. Brodzinski to the red line with the empty net looming. He backhands it home. Back to the front. Precision, the steal ahead to Brodzinski. Brodzinski to the red line with the empty net looming. He backhands it home. Second of the night for Brodzinski.